What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the halo light in a '07 BMW 335i. I already got the new light bulb for this. It's kind of a process to change this out because you have to take the wheel off. I believe this right here is for TPMS. You can unplug this or just like leave it hanging. And then the light we're changing is this right here. So there's two clips, one at the bottom, one at the top. Just use a flathead and just be careful not to break the clips and it'll pop. So this is just a cover. Next, what you want to do is these two cables, just pull these out. They're not clipped in or anything like that. You just pull on them. Those come out. And then right here, some Torx screws, just two. Take those out, and then the whole thing comes out. So this is the halo light. When you pull this out, this black piece might stay in there. You don't have to replace this, just the actual light. And then it's 215. This is the replacement one. This is all you get. Just transfer this piece over to it. Alright, so that's in. I'm going to thread these two screws in by hand first, and then tighten them the rest of the way.
Alright, so I'm going to cut these wires in.
And there we go. The halo light is back to working. So now I won't get the full cold anymore. If this video helped you guys out, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thanks.